Today I will show you how to disperse text into the particles. Create Fusion composition, place it on the timeline and switch to Fusion. Add text node, enter the text, choose font and size. Add rectangle node and set full screen size. Go to the beginning of the animation and set keyframe on the center parameter. Move 70 frames forward and shift the mask hiding the text. Move to the middle of the animation to see mask border and adjust soft edge parameter. Add P-emitter and P-render nodes. In the region tab of P-emitter node, set the mode to bitmap. Connect the text node. Also connect P-render node to the text. In the control tab of P-emitter node, adjust the particles. Add P-turbulence node to P-emitter. Adjust particle spread along the axis. Add time speed node and connect rectangle to it. Set delay value to time speed node to 5. Add channel booleans node and connect rectangle to foreground input. Set the operation parameter to subtract. Copy text node and pass as instance. Connect channel booleans to it. Disconnect original text from P-emitter and connect instant version. By adjusting particle setting in P-emitter and P-turbulence nodes, you can create many different effects variation. And to learn even more about capability of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget subscribe to channel.